Hello everyone, I'm back already. I've decided that I'm going to finish this lesson and do the last two roof elevations just in case someone was having some difficulty understanding something in the previous lesson and it might be beneficial to just do all of the examples. So I'm going to begin by doing what I was doing before. I'm going to copy this slope with the pitch identification, copy it from this wall and move to this wall. So I'm going to have one here, I'm going to have one here as well, and here. So 3. And I don't need these on every single one. So I'm going to erase them. And now I'm going to go back, get the other side, copy, and snap into position. Okay, so this has to be trimmed. Select the boundaries, trim, trim. Okay. So we have a ridge line coming from the roof plan in this location. So that means we have to extend these slopes to meet. So we're going to go to lengthen, select dynamic, and trim, and erase. Okay, so we've got this slope and this slope finished. Now we need to complete this one. Let's draw a line down from that ridge. And again, we're going to lengthen, dynamic, stretch that line up, trim it, erase it, and then draw a line from this endpoint over and trim. And like before, select all of these lines and then place them on layer 0. Okay, moving on to this one. This one should be fairly straightforward. Copy our identifier again with our roof slope. Copy from the wall to this endpoint. Like before, we can mirror this. Erase the source, no. Okay, we are going to draw a line from this endpoint down and lengthen. Select dynamic, trim, and erase this line. Same thing here. We're going to be drawing a line from this endpoint down and from this endpoint and from this endpoint. Okay, so we're going to be trimming this, erasing this line, drawing a line from this endpoint to this endpoint, and erasing this line, and then we're going to be taking this one and copying it from here to here. Doing another lengthen, another dynamic select, trim. Erase this line and connect. All right, one last thing to do. Connect the bottoms. Erase and trim. Do the same thing here. Okay. Done. Now, it's a good idea to double check your work. So I'm going to draw some lines down. You know, this is not something that you have to do to finish the roof elevations, but I'm just doing this to show you that everything is lining up the way it should. So everything looks great. Everything is lining up. I'll even do this one. But my roof overhang is the way it needs to be. So this is something that I check for when I do my marking. So it's very important that you make sure everything is lined up so you can grab a full mark as a part of your elevation view. Do this. And I nailed it. As you can see, everything is projecting perfectly from the roof plan to the roof elevations on the correct slope and pitch that I've selected. So, I nailed it. Perfect. Okay. So the next time we speak, we are going to be talking about patching, like I said before, for real. So I'm just going to get rid of this, hit the save button, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.